So in this class, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT to create a flyer. Now here, I'm going to create a church flyer. All right, so I'm just going to give it a prompt. I will say, create a church flyer with the following prompt. Or let me say with the following write-up. So I'll come down here. I will say theme. I'll give it a theme. I will say Night of Glory. So that will be my theme on the curly brace. Then I'll have present. I think present should come first. This AI, they are garbage in, garbage out. So I need to bring present. Present should be powerful night. Let me say power night. Let's say powerful night. So I'll put it on curly brace so that you can understand the assignment. Curly brace. Date. I'm going to give it a date. It should be 20th of May 2026. All right. So then I'm going to say come and be blessed. Full stop. All right. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell him how he's going to create this particular flyer for me. So I'll just come straight here and tell you to add to minister. Add to ministers. There should be Nigerian pastors. They should be Nigerians also, so that you can give a Nigerian kind of vibe. So, all right. So let's go through what we have designed, and also add a logo. Full stop. Now I'm going to say the name of the ministry. The name of the ministry should be let me put that in the curly brace. Powerhouse Ministries. Okay, that's the name of the ministry. Now, let's go through the prompt. Now I said create a church flyer with the following write-up. Present, powerful night, theme, Night of Glory, date 20th of May 2026. Come and be blessed. It said add 2 ministers. Let me correct that. Add 2 ministers. There should be a Nigerian. There should be Nigerians. Add a logo. The name of the ministry should be Powerhouse Ministry. Now let's see what's going to happen. Now I'm going to click on send. I'm going to go ahead and click on send to submit. All right, now just in case maybe the prompt he didn't create it well, I'm going to go ahead and reprompt it so that you understand. So I believe what we send to it is self-explanatory. So now if you want to design anything at all, you need to settle down, write your prompt out very well. Make sure the prompt is very clear and direct and straightforward. Now, one thing here is that we didn't have any image to use. If I had image, I would have added I would have come here and added about two different images, maybe the two ministers image. I will just add it here. Then the name of the ministers, I will also give it to the prompt, the name of the ministers, each of them. All right, so you would have used that image to do the design, but now for the purpose of this class, we're just using everything. He's going to be able to create everything for us. Concerning the image, the write-up, the logo, and everything, we didn't give anything. If not, we would have given the logo, given the image that it's going to use. All right, so it's going to go ahead and create everything for us. All right, this is the image we have generated. Let me open it so that I can see properly. Now you can see Powerhouse Ministry. All right, presents Powerful Night Theme, Night of Glory. Now tell me, do you think you still need a graphic designer to design for you when you can do this with your AI? You can see the perfection. All right, so this is how you design with your. Now there are other apps that you can use. You can use Gemini AI to do this. All right, you can use Cloud. Cloud is even better than this. If you use Cloud, you get a better result than this. So this is how to create your flyer designs using your AI. You have to make sure that you settle down to write your prompt. You don't have to be much. It will be able to help you to, so you can get the idea that you want. That's simple.